Bonjour mes étudiants, 7th standard. So, welcome you all for this new session. Leçon 6, allons à l'école. So far what we have seen is Leçon 6, we have seen the French passage and I gave you the English translation and also the vocabulary. So now we are going to see a new exercise. Even this translation based exercise we have finished. Now we are going to a new exercise that is nothing but prepositions. So we'll learn this and we will complete 2 exercises based on this for today, and that will be for your online test. So I'll also show you the exercises. So exercise number 1 and exercise number 2, only 2 exercises we are going to see today, and exercise number 3 is also preposition, but I'm going to give this as a homework. So learn well and listen carefully, take notes once I tell you to write. Okay, so exercise number 3 and 4 will be your homework. So 3 and 4 already you know numbers, so that will be your homework. Even 5 is also homework. 3, 4 and 5 I'll give you as a homework. Fine, I'll tell you what is that homework later. Let's start this session today. So this is what we are going to deal today. Regardez les dessins et complétez avec des prépositions. So this is an image. You can see there are a lot of objects in this room. There is an image, there is a bureau, there is some books, a toy and a cat and a table, a ball, screen. So based on this image they will ask us few questions and we should correctly mention the preposition which we know. Okay, so let's revise the preposition now. Shall we start? So only this 2 exercise I am going to teach, that is exercise number 1 and exercise number 2. So les prépositions. Prepositions are used both in English and French to link words and show the relations between the other words in a sentence. They are used before a noun or a pronoun. Let us learn a few commonly used prepositions. Où est le canard? Where is the duck? Canard means duck. Okay, so this is what we are going to see now. So with the help of this duck we are going to learn the preposition. That is what we are going to do now. Okay, so listen carefully. Let's start from the center, that is sur. See, where is the duck here? The duck is on the table. Imagine this is a small table on the table. So this, you can have a pencil and you can write on, on, on here. Sur means on. Finished? So hereafter if you want to say a word called on in English, it should be sur in French. Okay, on. Here it is dans. So in, the duck is in the box. Dans. Please repeat. Dans. Imagine this is a box. À côté de, next to the box. À côté de, that is box is this, and next to the box the duck is there. À côté de. Repeat. À côté de. If you write next to. This is derrière. Derrière is standing behind. So this is the box. The duck is standing behind the box. From the behind the box, the duck is peeping out and just seeing who's seeing that. Okay, so derrière means behind. Behind. Okay. Au-dessous. Au-dessous means there is a table. Under the table, or we can say below the table. Okay, so right below. Below the table the duck is there. Okay, so the table, and au-dessous is below the table. Here it is au-dessus, that is above the table. See, table, above the table it is flying. So write above. A-B-O-V-E, above. So this is below and this is above. Next is entre, in between. Entre means in between the table. So this is just a table. in between the table. So there is a board here and there is another board here. There, between these two boards, the duck is inside. Okay, between. So this is a table, and sous la table means under the table. There is difference from this and this. See, here it is 4 sides are closed, that's why we are saying inside the table. Here the fourth side is not there, so under the table. Okay, so now let's revise this once again, and then we will go for exercise number 1 and 2. Sur, on, dans, in, à côté de, next to, derrière, behind, au-dessous, below, au-dessus, above, entre, in between, sous, under, sur, on. So far we have completed this. Now let's revise it once again in French alone. Sur, dans, à côté de, please repeat, derrière, au-dessous, au-dessus, entre, sous, devant. So devant, I forgot to say devant, that is in front of. So this is table, the duck is in front of the table. Okay, in front of the table, that is devant. Okay, so now let's, with the help of these preposition, let's face exercise number 1. Please move on to the page, exercise number 1. Yeah. So the first question, le chat est dash la table. Le chat means cat, right? So where is the cat? No need to write anything, just put your pens down or pencil down and just watch the video. Later I will tell you the solutions. You can write. Okay, now just tell me, where is the cat? The cat is above or below the table or under the table. I think it is under the table, right? So under the table. So under what we learnt? So let's see the duck session. So see, it is like this. Okay, table is there, the bottom is not there, so it is lying down, right? Imagine this duck as a cat. So sous la table. So you have to write this first one as an answer. I'll show you the answers, no need to write, just I am telling. Okay, le table est dash de l'armoire. So l'armoire is this big cupboard is a l'armoire, and la table est dash de l'armoire. This is the table. So where is the table? We could say in front, or what would you choose? So we could say l'armoire est devant la table, or la table est devant l'armoire. So in front of this l'armoire, this table is placed, right? So we can say l'armoire est devant the, la table est devant de l'armoire. So we can use devant, that is in front of. Dash la table, il y a des livres et une boîte. So livre is here, boîte is here. Okay, so both are on the table. So we can say sur la table. Sur la table, il y a des livres et une boîte. Sur means on. Next one, fourth one. Dash la boîte, il y a un avion. So there is a box. Inside that box there is a plane. So we can say dans. D-A-N-S. Fourth one is D-A-N-S. Dans. Dans la boîte, il y a un avion. Fourth one is dans. Fifth one, le ballon est dash la chaise. So this is the chair. So where is this? Ballon means ball. Again it is sur. Le ballon est sur la chaise. On the chair. Okay. Last one. La chaise est dash la table. So table is here, table is here, and chair is here. We can say next to. Next to the table there is a chair, right? So what is next to in French? À côté de. La chaise est à côté de la table. Now we have finished the preposition. Now I will show you the answers. You can take it down, okay? So here are the answers. Kindly take it down. I'll wait for you. Okay, as you write, I will just read it once. Just listen, okay? As you write, just one word, write. Just write and listen. First one is le chat est sous la table. Le chat est sous la table. Second one is la table est devant l'armoire. La table est devant l'armoire. Third one, sur la table il y a des livres et une boîte. Sur la table il y a des livres et une boîte. Fourth one, dans la boîte il y a un avion. Fifth one, le ballon est sur la chaise. Sixth, la chaise est à côté de la table. So these are the answers. So if you want to continue writing, pause the video and write, and let's move to the exercise number 2. Exercise number 2 is a very simple exercise. La voiture est dash la maison. So devant. Devant is the word which we learnt as a preposition. So what is the opposite of devant? That is what we have to find. Écrivez le contraire. So devant opposite is derrière. So you have to write the same thing and replace devant with derrière. I will teach you this. Just listen and then I will give you the answers. Okay. So I will tell the answer now. La voiture est derrière la maison. That is the answer. Les livres sont sous la table. So this is another easy one. Sous opposite is sur. S-U-R. So you have to replace sous with sur. Les livres sont sur la table. L'école est à gauche de la piscine. À gauche, à droite de la piscine. So you have to replace à gauche with à droite. L'école est à droite de la piscine. L'oiseau est au-dessous de la table. Au-dessous should be replaced with au-dessous. S-O-U-S. Okay, so I will show you the answers. So just we are finding the opposite of the preposition. Okay. So imagine in, out, that is a preposition. Inside, outside, front, back, and left, right. So like that, à gauche is à droite. Au-dessous we finish. Fifth one. J'habite près de l'école. Près de opposite is loin de. Okay. So now I will show you the answers. You can take it down. It's a very simple one, nothing to understand here, just opposite you have to memorize. So at the top there is question and the bottom there is answer. I'll read it once. La voiture est devant la maison. La voiture est derrière la maison. Les livres sont sous la table. Les livres sont sur la table. L'école est à gauche de la piscine. L'école est à droite de la piscine. L'oiseau est au-dessus de la table. L'oiseau est au-dessous de la table. J'habite près de l'école. J'habite loin de l'école. That's it. So take this, and with this we are completing exercise number 1 and 2, and exercise number 3 is also preposition that I will give you as a homework. Now you can take this down and pause the video until you take this, and then you can resume it. Now we are going to exercise number 3. I will tell you what you have to do with this, see there is another image here. Regardez l'image et répondez aux questions. So seeing this image you have to answer the question. So où est le bus? Where is the bus? Le bus est devant la gare. So in front of the station the bus is standing. So like that you have to find. Où est l'hôtel? Where is the hotel? See, hotel is here. You can say l'hôtel est à droite de la gare. So gare is here, and the right side of the station there is l'hôtel. So like this you have to find for each and everything, 1 2 3 4 5. So you can do it. This is your homework for our preposition. Okay, now go to exercise number 4. Exercise number 4 is nothing but addition. 4 plus 5, that is equal to, so 4 plus 5 equal to 9. So 9 spelling you have to write here, Neuf, neuf. Like that, 8 plus 10, that is 8 plus 10, 18. So like that you have to add everything and you have to write the answer. Okay, this is another homework. So exercise number 3 is a homework, 4 is a homework, and exercise number 5 is also a homework. I will show you the solutions for 3, 4 and 5 in the next class. You can just take the homework and you can do it. Here nombre ordino. So this is not numbers, this is related to numbers. Okay, mercredi est le dash jour de la semaine. I will teach you how to do this. Lundi, mardi, mercredi. Mercredi is the third day of the week. So 3 you will write trois, but third day how you will write, that is what I have to teach you. Okay, see, go to page number 71. In this you can see first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth and ninth and 10th. So how to do this ordinal numbers? Premier, deuxième, troisième. So first answer is troisième. So third day of the week is troisième. So you have to write troisième. So with the help of this table you have to finish that particular exercise number 5. Okay, so exercise number 3 preposition, exercise number 4 is addition, exercise number 5 is ordinal numbers. So this is what cardinal numbers have been learnt in Apreno 1. Okay, let us now learn the ordinal numbers which are found by adding IEME to the endings. So nothing, the is here, you are going to add IEME to make it as second. If not, it is 2, right? To make it second, what we are adding IEME. Troisième, third, quatrième, fourth, cinquième, fifth, sixième, sixth, septième, seventh, huitième, eighth, neuvième, ninth, dixième, 10th. So like this, with the help of these ordinal numbers you have to do exercise number 5. Okay, that is the homework. So exercise number 3, 4 and 5 is your homework. So now I will just do 2 for you. Octobre est le, so first one I said troisième. So octobre est le dash mois de l'année, the long. That is, we have to count October, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October. So this is the 10th month. So for 10th, what is the answer? Dixième. Dixième. Likewise, dimanche est le dash jour de la semaine. So 7th day of the week is Sunday. So le septième. Février est le dash mois de l'an. That is second month of the year, February. So le deuxième. Like that you have to finish 5, 6, 7 and 8. I will not ask exercise number 3, 4 and 5 for your online test. I will ask only from exercise number 1 and 2. Okay. And upcoming class we will see exercise number 6 and 7. I think next class we will finish this lesson. Okay, just two more important exercises, with that we can finish. Okay, this is enough for today. So please revise the preposition, and I want you to write this prepositions in your classwork. No need to draw anything. I repeat, don't draw anything, just write the word and write the relative English word sur, on. So as I told you, wrote it on your book with pencil, right? So with that, write the preposition, preposition heading and write this. Okay, and try completing your classwork with exercise number 1 and 2 I just showed you, and 3, 4 and 5 complete it in your classwork. So next class we will see exercise number 6, and I repeat, exercise number 1 and 2 will be there for your online test. So merci mes étudiants, bonne journée, have a nice day.